Hi guys, this is Jayashree and in this video we are going to see how to draw a diagram of villi. So let's get started. First, to start with, we are going to draw a single lacteal. Next, we will be drawing the sub-branches of artery and vein, what we call as capillaries. Now, to draw the capillary, I have come up with a simple method. So just follow me and you will be able to complete this diagram. Friends, I have already made tutorial videos of many science diagrams and uploaded them on my channel. So make sure that once you visit my channel, and there you can find a playlist section. So depending upon which class you are in, you can just see what all videos I have uploaded for that particular class. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में आर्टरी को रेड कलर, वेन को ब्लू कलर और लिम्फ वेसल और लैक्टियल दोनों को ऑरेंज कलर से दिखाया गया है। तो हम अपने डायग्राम में कलर्स का तो यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो कि आर्टरी है उसको बहुत डार्क से शेड कर सकते हैं, वेन को लाइट से शेड करेंगे, और जो हमारा लिम्फ वेसल और उससे निकलने वाला जो लैक्टियल है उसको हम अनशेडेड छोड़ेंगे, ताकि हम इन तीनों के बीच में अपने डायग्राम में क्लियर से डिफरेंस दिखा सकें। If you will observe this portion carefully, you can see that they have colored artery in red, vein in blue, and lymphatic vessels, which gives rise to lacteal in orange. In order to bring about clear distinction among these three vessels, what we can do is that we can leave lymph vessels and lacteal unshaded. We can shade artery by applying more pressure to our pencil, that is we can shade it dark, and we can shade vein very lightly. So our diagram will be very clear. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, please do like this video and also subscribe to my channel JV Tutorials.